Hello, good morning once again. Welcome back to our video. Ito naman ulit si Daddy GM para sa ating very quality defensive driving tutorial somewhere on the road. Alright, so nandito naman tayo. Paglabas mo sa gate, always check na dapat hindi siya masyadong dihado ka. So check always the road kung dapat nasa proper lane ka. Kasi to be a defensive driver is to be always alert. Hindi ka dapat na magdalawang isip. If you feel na para bang masikip ang daan, nahihirapan ka pagdaan, wag mong take the rest to go forward. All you have to do, just simply check, slow down, tulad nito sa intersection, slow down, check, left and right. So every time you cross o dadaan ka sa mga village gates or intersection in general, see to it, tulad nito, see to it na nakita mo yung left, right, slow down ka before ka mag-go. That's the way how defensive driver doing. Huwag kang dire-diretso. Although, nasa right of way tayo, pero mas maigi na maganda yung pagdadrive mo. Para at ease, peaceful, maganda ang pag-drive. At the same time, walang danger, walang accident. Okay? So, see you again on my next video for a very quality defensive driving. Shout out to all drivers. Drive safely to all parents, students, who work sa office or non-office. Take care always, and God bless.